Let's learn English alphabet and pronunciation. Letter A, say, A. Can you repeat? A, A. The letter A is like apple. Letter B, say, B. Can you repeat? B, B. The letter B is like ball. Letter C, say, C. Can you repeat? C, C. The letter C is like cat. Letter D, say, D. Can you repeat? D, D. The letter D is like dolphin. Letter E, say, E. Can you repeat? E, E. The letter E is like elephant. Letter F, say, F. Can you repeat? F, F. The letter F is like flower. Letter G, say, G. Can you repeat? G, G. The letter G is like gorilla. Letter H, say, H. Can you repeat? H, H. The letter H is like horse. Letter I, say, I. Can you repeat? I, I. The letter I is like igloo. Letter J, say, J. Can you repeat? J, J. The letter J is like jackal. Letter K, say, K. Can you repeat? K, K. The letter K is like king. Letter L, say, L. Can you repeat? L, L. The letter L is like lion. Letter M, say, M. Can you repeat? M, M. The letter M is like monkey. Letter N, say, N. Can you repeat? N, N. The letter N is like nest. Letter O, say, O. Can you repeat? O, O. The letter O is like orange. The letter P, say, P. Can you repeat? P, P. The letter P is like piano. Letter Q, say, Q. Can you repeat? Q, Q. The letter Q is like quilt. Letter R, say, R. Can you repeat? R, R. The letter R is like robot. Letter S, say, S. Can you repeat? S, S. The letter S is like sun. Letter T. Say T. Can you repeat? T, T. The letter T is like tiger. Letter U. Say U. Can you repeat? U, U. The letter U is like unicorn. Letter V. Say V. Can you repeat? V, V. Letter V is like violin. Letter W. Say W. Can you repeat? W, W. The letter W is like wagon. Letter X. Say X. Can you repeat? X, X. The letter X is like xylophone. Letter Y. Say Y. Can you repeat? Y, Y. The letter Y is like yarn. Letter Z. Say Z. Can you repeat? Z, Z. The letter Z is like zebra. Congratulations, good job today! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell for more videos. See you!